Cariocytes. Cariocytes. So from megakaryocytes, the platelets are formed. Platelets are formed, and they enter into the blood vessels there. The blood vessels, they will enter the blood vessels and come into general circulation. So this is one of the characteristics. They are formed in the bone marrow and then it come into the general circulation. Now this is as far as the we know that the concentration of the platelets in the blood is 1.5 to 3. The concentration of this lakhs per microliter. The concentration of the platelets in the blood is 1.5 to 3 lakhs per cubic millimeter or per microliter. Substitute. And also the half-life of these platelets is from 8 to 12 days. Half-life of the platelets are from 8 to 12 days. So in this way, these platelets, because without it. Now, as far as the functions of the blood is concerned, you see, the function of the blood, we know that. Not the blood, but the function of the platelet is concerned. The function of the platelet, there are many. We know that the platelets are non-nucleated, non-nucleated cells, and then they have got a lot of substances that contain, and as far as the hemostasis is concerned or platelet plug formation is concerned, a lot of substances or actions are carried out by the platelets. Like number one, the platelets contains actin myosin. The platelets contain actin and myosin, which are nothing but they are contractile protein, which are responsible for the contraction of the platelets in the, to change the contraction of the, the volume and the shape of the platelets. Number two, you see the remnant of the endoplasmic reticulum and the Golgi apparatus in the platelets. They are, the remnant of them, they are also responsible for the formation of the certain enzymes inside the platelets, which takes part in the, as far as the hemostasis is concerned, they take part in the hemostasis. Now, we know that mitochondria, which are the remnant of the mitochondria, which are present in the platelets, they also are responsible for the formation of the ATP and ADP. So now we know that ATP and ADP is also required, as far as the function of the platelets are concerned. Now we know that prostaglandins are formed by the platelets. Prostaglandins are the fourth one function of the platelet is the formation of the prostaglandins. They are formed there, and they also take part in the local reaction. Once there is damage to the blood vessels, they will carry out the different reactions in the ruptured area of the blood vessels in the tissue, particular tissue. Now we know that also the platelets, they secrete clotting factors. That is 13th clotting factor, 13th clotting factor. The 13th clotting factor known as the fibrin stabilizing factor. Fibrin stabilizing factor. It releases of the platelets from the platelets, and that the 13 clotting factors has a role as far as the coagulation of the blood is concerned. So this is also one of the important substances which release from the platelet. Now the very important substance which release from the platelet is the growth factor. The growth factor is important because this growth factors once releases from the platelets, it is responsible for the repair of the damaged endothelium. It is responsible for the formation of the new cells like myoepithelial, the smooth muscles of the blood vessels, and also fibroblast of the cells. So this growth factor is responsible to repair all the damage due to trauma which has taken place in that particular area of the person. So now if I tell you one by one, the number one is actin and myosin-like substances are released. Number two, remnant of the endoplasmic reticulum and Golgi apparatus, they form certain enzymes, and also the mitochondria form ATP and ADP, and also prostaglandins are formed locally by the platelets there, to take part in the reactions, and also the 13 clotting factors, that is fibrin stabilizing factors, which are released from the platelets, take part in the coagulation of the blood. And the last one is the growth factor, which is important. The growth factor which is released from the platelet is responsible for the repair of the almost all damaged tissue in that particular area. The damage of the tissue in that particular area which has taken place, or resynthesize, reformation of all these, like endothelium of the blood vessels, like the smooth muscles of the vessels, like the fibroblast of the blood vessels. They all synthesize due to growth factors which is released by the platelet.